Developmental projects yet to begin in Kaziranga Memorial Park at Kohora. Villagers of Kahak Niso Longjan Atoy builds road with their own contribution. Husband seeks financial assistance for his ailing wife. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. Even after 2 years of the foundation stone being laid, several development works in Kaziranga Memorial Park at Kohora are yet to be completed. Due to this, the local residents of Kohora had expressed their grief and demanded immediate completion of the projects. Every year, on the 5th of December, a ceremony is organized at the ethnic village adjacent to Kaziranga National Park, bordering with Golaghat district, to pay homage to the legendary Karbi lady, Kaziranga. In 2019, a homage ceremony was observed with a huge public gathering. On that occasion, the then Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, attended the event and laid a foundation stone of 3 projects. The projects included Kaziranga Memorial Gate, Kaziranga Guest House, and beautification and extension of Kaziranga Children Park. Local residents were overjoyed and excited to know that the facilities in the park will be improved. But it seems like the joy and happiness of the local residents is shattered as even after 2 years, no work has been initiated.
Francis Karbi Anglong Life kilang radwana fan kardom pipa jerlo nonni likido lake Kaziranga National Park World Heritage Site pen kechihoilo Kohora labang solong sidolo nili ko pipo sidak donang ko makela hello atheke kedam tang suri hini ra krisu kebaninkan Kaziranga pipan matijong ani phai phorni karchu mate kachikimo ja meglong Karbi Anglong CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang kanije ponje Karbi Anglong la pen Golaghat ahoy ladak Kohora nakilulong Kaziranga men pen isi Memorial Gate adon rika salami phansi pangdak lo la pen guest house Kaziranga men pen guest house ke pangdak phansi hasorni rarangno pangdak lo idalo seme inuda locality afan elimo karju teng pulote alangli nang thanke Bukakhat inut agarwala phansi labang so akam ke pex la go pipotong cheng chidane alangli seme nang than thek thek sita alang tum bank chuning la pen normally Karbi Anglong Life hoi bank pachini kang tung bank la loje la dak la hai ka chung thura mo bang ding pa prablu tang de la dak mesenji la pen Karbi Anglong seme ka chung thur araje bang la dak pen tame thek ponlong ji la pen pirthe akapre ka det pen Kaziranga National Park ki jui ke bang tung la pen Karbi Anglong ai mithanga munir seme la dak ke bang atum an ke la bang so chief guest house Kaziranga men pen ki kim bonji pa guest house long seme sang long po asin element arjison long par dolomara pen Karbi Anglong Life.
While interacting with the children of the Kohora ethnic village, they shared their grievances and appealed the government to begin the projects allocated for the development of Kohora ethnic village. Joy Singh Pangcho, a resident of Kohora, Chandra Singh Rongpi village informed that the contract had been assigned to a person named Agarwal from Bokaghat. He said that locals are unknown of the reasons that had caused delay in the start of the works.
Sini tum Kohora rata hodai da chathan le je anaji reading da choisi kambang chengchedet ma arlo la man yendi dan chini dun de delo seta kambang e pini anda chengchedet lo hastorni ke rat sodang do kadogwe ta arjulong prong lo le la da Kaziranga piamen pen id nipu la pen bo khat inut afan si pilo buta arjulong
Bare
akame paklen ye phan
amen chini ma
amen agorwala lason se arjulong hai.
It is notable that if all the above mentioned projects are completed within the stipulated time, then it would generate more revenue to the government, as Kaziranga National Park is a World Heritage Site and the area is filled with visitors. Kaziranga National Park is one of the greatest assets of Assam. It is widely known for its large population of one-horned Indian rhinoceros. Kaziranga National Park was inscribed in UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 1985. RG Sons Rongpar's report from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live. Improper road connectivity had compelled the villagers of Kahak Niso Longjan Atoy to come forward together and build a road with the money they have collected among themselves. They had to take the matter into their hands since the government had not taken steps to improve the road. The people of Kahak Niso Longjon Athoy had never seen good road in their village since the establishment. The village was established in the year 1952. Turning 60 this year, yet there is no any road facility was provided to this village from the government. This had impacted the villagers in various aspects. Children are deprived from quality education and villagers are deprived from trade and business. Villagers are disconnected from health services and many more. In case of medical emergencies, the villages of Kahak Niso Longjon Athoy had to walk through the roads covered with mud, rivers and pass through the jungle to reach the medical centers.
Ladaga kisung aputan nitum ahok peralam abirta pacini jiba nitum karbing long live kela hara tuman kipaklang han nitum por ipolo lahelo labangso 1952 Mikir Hills labangso longde rapi kalitan crossing terang CM do bompen non 2022 non akehai tuliram rong hang Dr. Tuliram rong hang alang lige non CM karbing long Thomas Council alang li cari bom lapen non ko ana ningkana pi labang soto wa non puta avipin lang labang sot hoy ke non anda meri hing avela misen ki juna lang avela rongara tum se amen na jung alang li tum jung lo pusosi ki choklem Falkland atowar alang li tum Falkland misin men alang li tum towar se silam polo ingin so me alang li tum towar ka ve barika por de alang tum la pu langbung lang ter pen lok la pulok si kiso piune pen chenglok osumar lu ke pacharli pen kedam kisung ki boy pet hek tirlok penara kisung alang litum cecak nang lo alang litum han 1952 pen non 2022 berde ko ana ning kana phisi la puson towar kawe me kawe kijona lang mesen kawe penara kisung alang litum cecak nang lo la alang litum la bangso kisung cecak dorti la dagaro arong kahangarong amekara tum la dak kisong longjona araratum thur pak si amena jung amena tangkap mense alang litum cilung cilek mensi alang litum Falkland kuwi biti jorsi alang litum helang corotsi alang litum asana sontesiri jorsi alang litum mena tangkap mense alang litum la puson Falkland abharaman si alang litum kuala kilometer ada alang litum tawar sesalam lo.
When Ritis Inghi was serving as Deputy Speaker of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, the road connectivity was done till Maironghang village, but it didn't connect Maironghang village with Kahak Niso Longjon Athoy. Apart from the road connectivity, the villagers of Kahak Niso Longjon Athoy are deprived from electrification and proper drinking water. This had compelled the villagers of the area to take the matter of road connectivity into their own hands.
Bahaglo Islam militum rong silo mane alang nitum kami pici warwa ma kidum kami kidu kisung pojone lo kedam kebang kedu kowe kisung ojone lo Islam alang nitum bang mane sarkar alang ni sarsar se.
While interacting with our correspondent, the villagers said that they had submitted a memorandum for the construction of road several times to the authority, but so far no steps had been taken for the construction. So, by the time they wait to get some help from the government, they constructed a road from their own expenses. Bikram Steron report from Denarong, Karbi Anglong Live. Monimala Bharali, wife of Gulab Chandra Bharali, resident of number 24 Deopani constituency, had been sick since the last 20 years and is seeking financial assistance from the Deputy Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly, Dr. Numal Momin, and local embassy for medical treatment. Monimala Bharali had been sick and paralyzed since 2000, right after giving birth to her two sons, Anupam Bharali and Ankur Bharali. The family had taken her to various medical care centers for her treatment. They had sold all their assets and properties for her treatment, but there is no sign of recovery till today. Now the family are running out of their savings and they are in great monetary crisis. Therefore, they had to take care of Monimala Bharali at home.
নমস্কাৰ আমি জনামতে মোৰ বিয়া কৰা প্ৰায় 22 বছৰমান হ'ল তেতিয়া দুটা লৰা হোৱালৈকে তো ভালে আছিল তেতিয়া লৰা খৰুটো 6 মাহ 7 মাহ হোৱাৰ পিছত মোৰ বেমাৰটো ধৰিছে আৰু মাজতে একবাৰ তেজপুৰ লৈ ভাল কৰিছিল ভাল কৰাৰ পিছত এতিয়া প্ৰায় 18 বছৰমান হ'ল তাই সেই ৰোগত আক্ৰান্ত হৈ আছে মানসিক ৰোগত কিন্তু আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ আৰ্থিক কম যে সেইকাৰণে ল'বলৈ পৰা নাই আৰু
হয় আপোনালোকে
তেনেকৈ তেওঁ হেৰিও কৰা নাই খোজাও নাই আমি আৰু তেওঁ চলি থকা দেখি আছোঁ আমিও আগজাচি যোৱা নাই আৰু এওঁ এনেকুৱা আমাৰ লগতে ইমান সহায়টো বিচৰা নাই বাৰু
We cannot just let her suffer like this at home. We wanted to take her to hospital for her treatment, said husband Gulab Chandra Bharali. He appealed the Deputy Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly, Dr. Numal Momin, and local embassy to furnish some financial assistance for the treatment.
মানসিক ৰোগত আজি 20 বছৰ ধৰি আক্ৰান্ত হৈ আছে তাৰ কাৰণে মই বিধানসভাৰ মহোদয়লৈ আৰু আৰচিছ এৰিয়াৰ স্থানীয় এমডিচিলৈ আমি কাটৰ অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ যাতে কিবা এটা সহায় সহযোগ কৰিব বুলি
তাইৰ নাম কি আছে
মণিমালা ভৰালী
তাই কিমান বছৰ ধৰি আক্ৰান্ত হৈ আছে মানসিক ৰোগত
20 বছৰ ধৰি আক্ৰান্ত হৈ আছে
20 বছৰ ধৰি আপুনি আগতে ক'ৰবাত চিকিৎসা কৰাইছিলে
তেজপুৰত কৰাইছিল
আৰু বৰ্তমান সময়ত কিবা চিকিৎসা
বৰ্তমান সময়ত এনে দৰৱ পাতি আনি খুৱাইছোঁ ইমান হেৰি হোৱা নাই
দৰৱ পাতি মানে আপুনি ক'ৰ পৰা আনি খুৱাইছে
তেজপুৰৰ পৰা
Anant Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.